Overthinkers of Reddit, what unlikely scenario actually came true that you were completely prepared for because you are an overthinker? 1. When my wife and I were getting married and looking for a place for the ceremony, we found this beautiful but quite remote garden. We were signing the contract for the event and I kept thinking that it was quite remote, so I asked, how much time does it take for the ambulance to get here? I became the laughing stock of both families. My then future mother-in-law, who was present at the meeting, literally fell down from the chair laughing. The wedding organizer remembered it for weeks, telling everyone we met. My dad ended every sentence with, but maybe you need an ambulance for that. My wife was making siren noises when I was saying something we disagreed on. Every family dinner all the aunts and uncles were checking if the ambulance was present. Still I couldn't get rid of this weird feeling. It would have taken over an hour for the ambulance to get to the garden. After a few weeks I ended up paying a private ambulance to be present at the wedding. Fast forward to the ceremony, as my wife literally walks down the aisle, at the back of the garden I see 2 paramedics running with a stretcher and my dad squeezing my hand whispering, "That's none of your goddamn business, let them take care of it."